piece I cut off the door jamb at the bottom. Now I forgot about leaving space to screw in the, it should be alright to screw in the top and bottom, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and put one in the center, at least. Or I'll probably go ahead and just put a nailer here, nailer in the center. Since I know that inside my closet, I'm gonna make this a rack, not a rack, for hanging like dresses or something. I'm gonna just stick a 2x4 in here sideways, mill it through here. That way it's strong whenever I put my my hanger rack thing. I'm just gonna go ahead and put the sheetrock on the inside here, and then I'm gonna wait, cause I could try to go ahead and hook up the electrical stuff, get it ready, but I'm gonna wait on that buddy of mine to do it. That way I make sure it's done right, since I'm not an electrician. But I'm gonna go ahead and put the sheetrock here, and then over here I'm probably just gonna go ahead and get the 2 boxes ready. I'm gonna have one here for the light switch for the closet. I'm gonna go ahead and put the box over there. That's gonna be for that light switch. I'm gonna go ahead and put a box down there for an outlet, and a box down here for an outlet. And I really want another one here for another outlet. Probably won't put an outlet on this one, maybe. I might actually put it inside the closet now that I think about it. Just in case for whatever reason. Yeah. So I'll wait on that one. But I'm gonna go ahead and put the sheetrock, and then my next move is probably gonna be to go over there and start working on those other 2 bedrooms. Closet and extending the bedroom. Which is gonna be some fun. There happened to be one of the pieces that was perfect this way. I just had to cut it that way, so I got kind of lucky there. I didn't bother recording it because it wasn't nothing exciting. patch this, and I want to move the attic access a little further down. When I had my other guys working over here, I told them that I wanted it about 2 feet from the post that way. And for whatever reason, they misunderstood me and they put the access right here, which is going to be right above my cabinets and my sink and everything. So I don't understand why they thought that. But now I gotta remove this so I can make sure there's no wires over there while I cut that side out. Then I'm gonna come patch this, and I made some metal that I'm gonna try to make it to where it's almost seamless. I've seen some where it looks seamless. You can barely tell there's an attic access. I mean, you can still kind of see a line around it, but it's not like obvious with trim around it or anything like that. So I'm gonna try to make it look good. We'll see what happens. Looks like there's only one wire. It's not in the way. I can still do what I gotta do. But there's one wire that runs to the garage that is new, so it wasn't even there before. Which sucks. But I think it'll be okay. Just gotta probably gonna have to add a little box, cut it, add a box so that I can move it over. Yeah, that's what's happening there. Over here, I gotta cut this, make it straight so I can patch it. But first, I'm gonna go cut that one. Bring y'all up here and show y'all what I'm looking at. This right here made it to where I couldn't cut it flush with this. So now I'm thinking about going to get a strip of 1/4 inch plywood just so I can fill this in, because I have a piece of metal that's gonna go right here, which now that I look at it, I think that piece of metal needs to be longer, because this is almost 1 inch. Actually, this needs to be screwed up. Yeah, let me put a couple screws in that. How about this side? This side's good. But yeah, you can see almost. This right here, I don't know how good you can see this. There's almost a 1/4 inch of what I believe is paint. Just paint. That's like, I don't know how many layers of paint. This side's not as thick, so this side might have had some, might have been a seam. Doesn't, yeah, it was a seam. So this might have had some, what do you call it? Tape embedding, whatever. Yeah, but this side's still pretty thick. It's like 1/8, a little under 1/8 of 1 inch. Okay, I need to put some screws into this side.
This one measures exactly 32, and the measurement I need is 32.5. But I'm just gonna go ahead and use it to waste less sheetrock. So. I have some siding. I broke a piece off just to see what's gonna be the perfect thickness to fill in this. So I'm just gonna cut it straight. I'm probably gonna even have it come down enough for the sheetrock. That way when I put the tape and bedding, it'll have something to go up against. And I'll just go ahead and fill this in on both sides. Just these two sides. And then I can go ahead and put my piece of metal that I made so I can go ahead and put the sheetrock so I don't leave this open for too long.